very impromptu, but we're going thrifting. Gonna pick and choose if I actually want to vlog me actually thrifting in the store, but I'm definitely gonna do a haul. But I'm gonna get ready, and yeah. This is the look. I cannot decide if I want to wear like just regular clothes like mode gyaru or if I want to go a little more make bling with it, but I don't think we're going to be doing too much. I think we're only going to the thrift store, so I don't want to get too dressed up just so I have to take it off once I get back home. Let's find something. It's pretty cold, so I want to start by looking at all my pants and seeing what pants I wanted to wear first and then build an outfit off of that. Also, let me put on a wig real quick, actually. Bob implemented. Now let's figure out what I'm gonna wear. We're just gonna go all gray and white, and I think I'm gonna wear some boots with this. This is probably just gonna be a normal, regular outfit. I'm trying to decide between which ones. I'm gonna try them both on, see how I'm feeling. We're going with my knit slouch boots. This wig is crazy. I may have to actually straighten this and I don't want to. Pretty basic fit. Wouldn't say it's necessarily gyaru. I just need some clothes on. Gotta put on some perfume. I think I may change my shoes actually. It'd be different if these pants fit, but they don't, so they're like too baggy around the ankles. So I may put on the other boots after all. And of course we gotta bring some good luck charm to the thrift store with this. You never know. Added a little more accessories so it could give more gyaru. Changed the boots entirely as well because once I added this, I was like, I need a little more black. Put a nice little bolt chain on. And I don't know if this necessarily matches the vibe anymore. I added this little silver necklace. But now I'm gonna go see if my mother is ready. I had to change my inner shirt because I read the weather wrong. And it's actually pretty sunny, but I already liked this that I got going on. So I just changed it to a crop top. And now let me go bug my mom. I wanted like small booties, but like I wanted them to be like thick. But they don't have that. But you know, I also just like boots in general. I love these really long ones. I'm sure they don't fit me.
Oh, those are cute.
Yeah. These are 8.5. Not gonna fit that. But I wanted light colored ones, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want the black ones because I got 15 black boots. Mama, even before you gave me some boots, I had a plethora.
Because I know I got about 10 in every fashion you could ever want.
All of these are very big. Okay, I did not find much, but one of the shirts that I found that I really wanted to show, it's an old AOMG merch shirt. And I don't know if it's gonna fit me, but I just thought it was so funny because I used to be such a big fan of AOMG. And now I don't really keep up with K-hip-hop or K-rappers anymore. I also got like one other thing, but I guess like that's the one thing that would be interesting to show you guys. I don't know if we're gonna go straight back home. We've made it back. We got food and we also ended up going to Ross. So I got more stuff to show off. Can't wait for that. But we got food, so I think I'm probably gonna eat, take all of this off, and then come back and do a little try on haul. I wanted to do a little try on haul, but I got a package. I got a package. So I want to open it up and then get into the stuff because then I actually have to try on clothes. I don't normally buy from Amazon, but I got Prime for like $1, so I was like, let me hop on that. It's a sunset lamp. I got a sunset lamp because, oh my gosh, why is everything a weird angle? I got a sunset lamp because I like ambient lighting and I had to get rid of my LED lights. And I said I'm not putting LED lights back on the walls again. So I got this. I kind of missed the trend when everybody had this and was buying it. But I also thought it would be cool to have like in the background of my videos. I wasn't paying attention when I got it, so I didn't know it was on like a tripod. Oh, I may have already broke it. Oh shit. Yo, I can take golden hour pictures. So bright. Okay. My eyes. What already has batteries in it? The things that amuse me. Some of the modes don't necessarily have like a sunset to them. It's just like a different color. Oh. Period. Literally. Perfect. Hold on. Let me turn off this light. Oh. Vibes. This haul includes everything from both the thrift store and Ross. And I want to try it on as I'm showing it to you, essentially, and then get into why I chose the pieces and whatnot. Some of them are kind of ghettified. Some of them are just kind of like lounge clothes because I wanted a lot more lounge clothes and like pajamas and things like that. I didn't get a whole lot. So there's like one or two pajama loungewear. Let's get into it. The first thing is this knit dress. I got this obviously because it gave like quintessential gyaru fit. Now there's like a little belt band thing that's supposed to go in the front. I don't know how these types of belts work, so I just like put it behind me. They had a lot of knit dresses and I settled on this one because I feel like this specific type of knit dress is like the kind you see every gyaru with. Now I took off my bra and I'm not putting that hell back on, so we're gonna cover up the bits. The brand is Venus. Don't know who that is. It's a very soft material. It's not that itchy knit that you often see. And it's actually pretty good quality. I kept going back and forth on what knit dress I wanted because I didn't know I wanted one. I have a blue one, but it's like off the shoulder. Looks my body weird. I feel like this fits a lot better, but obviously I need to figure out how to tie it. I like the sleeves too. They're pretty baggy. We love her. Let's go on to the next item. I literally got this AOMG shirt simply because I don't own any K-pop adjacent merch. I don't know if this is K-pop adjacent, this is Korean hip hop. I don't own any like merch, a whole lot outside of like albums, and that's like two of them. So I literally got this for the gigs. However, it is very tight. We're built like linebackers in this house, and like weirdly, it smells like fabric softener. I know that's a good thing, but I think it's just like crazy how strong the smell of fabric softener is on this shirt. Gang gang. There's a bunch of bullshit on the back too. Well, these are basically the only two things I got at the thrift store, so everything else is from Ross. So let's get into the Ross bag. Next up is this baby fat, like little tight crop top. Anytime I see baby fat, Juicy Couture, or Bebe, I immediately feel like I have to cop. So of course I had to get this. It's like a baby top almost, and I don't have any baby fat shirts, I believe. It's even got the little bedazzled cat thing you can't see because I'm short. However, I think it's supposed to be like a regular shirt and my torso is just short, so I'm making it into a crop top. You know, kind of like a midriff situation. Oh, she eats. Like, you know, at heart, I'm a McBling girly. So when it comes to baby fat, like I'm just gonna automatically gravitate towards her. This, and I need to get me some low-rise capris. I don't know. There's a vision here. There's a vision there that I'm building in my head, and we need to make that come to fruition. I think eventually I'm going to do a video where I just try to style random pieces in my room. So maybe we'll see this shirt again. Next is this leopard print, leopard print jersey. This is the brand Casual Friend, I believe. I've been wanting a jersey type shirt because I've been seeing a lot of like more like Y2K or like Yabi style clothing and people figuring out how to style a jersey, and I want to do that as well. I feel like this would probably look best either with something underneath it, or if like the entire fit that I was wearing was super baggy. I feel like this could give low-key like B-gal, which is part of the reason why I got it. And also, like I said, I just wanted a jersey shirt. I like shirts that one I can wear both out in public and to bed, so that when I come home I can literally just check off my pants and go to bed. I don't really get any pants because I have a lot of pair of jeans that I actually need to go through and see which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to throw away before I even buy any more. In my head, that's what's going on. But I do still want to explore different styles, so I want to see what all I can do with this before I land on a particular look for this one. Okay, next one. And the next pair of clothes I styled together. This is some fold over leggings because I love fold over pants and I really wanted some fold over shorts actually, but all I had were these long pants. One just for loungewear and two because I was like, oh, maybe I could do my Pilates in the mornings with this on. These pants are the brand Show Show. This top is the brand Just Polly. Just Polly is like basically my go-to brand when I go to Ross. They're my go-to because they're kind of form-fitting and I just feel like they accentuate my body the right way. So I have a bunch of their shirts and I just thought, you know, a random basic tee. Again, it can go with this and this can be what I wear for loungewear, but also, like I said, I like clothes that I can also wear outside. Like this is a presentable outfit to wear to see other people. Love the material, everything is soft. And that about concludes my try on haul as well as this video. I hope you guys liked this video. I want to try and do more vlogs in the future, but I like literally don't leave my house. But if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on notifications so you never have to miss another video. Bye!